So if you're not a crafter, you might think weeding means pulling weeds out of your garden and flower bed. It's a painful job. Well, in paper crafting, weeding means picking out the vinyl that you've just cut with your Cricut or electronic cutting machine. It's also a very painful, tedious job. What's really annoying about it is the vinyl often sticks to your tweezers. So as you're picking it off, it doesn't come off the tweezers. You have to grab it. It's really annoying. So we have a weeding collector right here. It actually comes with both of these pieces. It's going to retail for $14.99. It's on the market right now as we speak. It just launched. It has a little suction piece on the bottom, so you can actually stick it down to your desktop, or you can wear it as a ring. So again, it comes with both. So depending on your preference, maybe where you're crafting. So what it does though, as you're weeding and you have the little piece stuck on your tweezers, you can drop it in there. You can actually slide it off. It's going to catch it and it's going to fall right into the collector right there. Or again, same thing if you want it on your hand. Really super convenient tool, and it makes the job of weeding much more manageable.